So my wife got this tool to suck me off and to cut my hair and to cut the doggy's hairs. You're gonna vacuum cut my hair?
Yep. No. Don't do that.
What?
Don't do that.
Ooh.
What?
Looking kind of groovy.
Stop it.
So I guess we're not doing a mullet? Just a little off the sides, babe.
What?
Whoa! You sucking me off too much, man. Where's all my hair? Oh no! Yeah, look at that stuff on top. It's important.
Does that hurt?
Sometimes it pulls the hair too. I think that's because I got tangled beard. Barely any mess. Look at that thing cool, man. It sucks and cuts. And it made my wife a professional barber. Look at that! Yeah! What's wrong with that in the middle? Don't cut my hair in the middle! That's important. Oh man, there's hardly any mess. Should I take it this short all the way? What?
Or just like we grip it with scissors.
No!
Right there where it's really long.
That's my horn. This thing's real cool, man. If you cut that hair on top, it takes twice as long for it to grow back. So just leave it. That's because it's cool. That's cool hair. Tell you one thing, this thing's fucking little handy as shit. There'll be a link to this cutter thing down in the description. Yeah, I say get you some of that. You know, I don't do a lot of these reviews because we always buy cheap shit. And then it turns out to be a piece of shit. Huh? This thing is 160 bucks. And if you just use it for your face, it should last forever.
But it's for animals.
Yeah, it's actually an animal clipper thing. And look, no mess. Well, a little bit. Is that cool?
You can clean it up too with the feathers.
Ain't nobody taking my long, voluptuous hair on my head. I like it. That works.
I think it looks good.
Let's see how it did. This is just my head, huh?
Yeah.
Little bows of hair.
That's all your hair.
I don't care if it's for dogs. That thing's cool as shit.
You look good.
Oh, yeah, I do. Do I make you horny? It's the Kidkin doggy tool. Look at this, man. It's got like to clean with.
Looking for the different dogs. Here, I'll see you.
Look, it's even got lice combs and shit.
There's a de-shedding tool.
Oh, de-shedder? Oh, it pushes a little button back and forth.
It locks and unlocks that.
We'll catch that out. This is what these go on, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Lock it down. You got the crevice tool. It's like a little shop vac. It's got the little clipper attachments. What?
Let me get a lot of fur on it.
I want to see this. How do you do it? Okay. Push this button.
Yeah, because she still needs to be done some more. Did you see I got all that? Look how shiny her coat is now.
That's like, Jimmy Christmas. Look at that. So even if the clippers quit clipping, you still have the best de-shedding tool ever, man. I'm gonna get you one of these. Link in the description, motherfuckers. Turn over and show how it works. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and want to follow my process, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Hey man, while you're at it, check out my other YouTube channels. The Stay Home Dad, The Back End Handyman, The Dorcher Family, and The Average Stoner. Just a little bit of what I do from day to day as a stay-home dad.